Hey guys, how's it going? Sam from Fixer here, and I want to talk to you about your roof. Like any part of your home, roofs can have their share of problems that cause them to fail before their time. By regularly checking for these issues and taking care of them ASAP, you can extend the life of your roof, prevent leaks, and save yourself thousands of dollars in the long run. Keep watching, and I'll walk you through the 4 most common roofing issues, how you can prevent them, and what you should do if they show up. Roofs can be covered with various materials like asphalt shingles, like you see here, clay tiles, and wooden shakes. When these coverings get damaged or go missing, it leaves the whole home vulnerable to greater damage. And unfortunately, there are a lot of things that can harm your roof's covering, including insects, birds, wind, falling branches, and hail. Even sunlight can cause a roof to deteriorate. This immense variety of hazards makes roof covering ailments some of the most common issues with a roofing system. The worst part is they can be hard to spot quickly unless you spend a lot of time on your roof. The best way to prevent these issues is to get roof coverings that work for your region's climate. You can learn more about which roof coverings are ideal for your region by watching this video. You should also keep the trees around your home nicely trimmed. Prune branches before they get so close that they could scrape your roof or fall on top of it. And to make sure you know about any damage as soon as it happens, go out and inspect your roof after each big storm to see if any inclement weather mangled or stole any of your shingles. You should also get your roof inspected by a professional at least once a year. A pro will always notice more issues than you can. If a routine inspection reveals any problems, get it repaired as soon as you can. Otherwise, it could snowball into more extensive pest, water, or wind damage. When water pools on your roof's valleys or eaves instead of running off quickly, it can seep under your shingles and tiles. Unchecked, this leads to extensive leaks and water damage, so it's essential to make sure water doesn't sit on your roof for too long. Clogged gutters are the primary cause of standing water, so keeping your gutters clear of leaves, sticks, and dust is a great first step. You also need to clean the debris off your roof as well, or water could start to pool elsewhere. I recommend cleaning your roof and gutters at least twice a year, once at the end of fall and once at the beginning of spring. You can either perform these cleanings yourself or hire a professional to do them for you. Click the pinned comment below to find a roof cleaning service in your area. One of the best ways to protect your roof is through a process called flashing. Flashing is metal sheeting that gets installed on your roof's most vulnerable points like valleys, chimneys, and vents. Flashing provides these areas with extra water resistance, so as you can imagine, it's really important for your home's weather defense. Unfortunately, wind, ice, rust, and impacts can all compromise your flashing and leave the rest of your roof more susceptible to moisture damage. Like damage to your roof's covering materials, the best way to prevent damage to your flashing is to get your roof inspected annually and replace any weakened or bent flashing right away. Leaving faulty flashing in place will ultimately cost you more than taking care of it quickly. Ventilation is an essential part of a healthy roof. Each roof has various vents installed in its soffits and ridges to ensure hot air can escape through the attic and that condensation doesn't build up in the home. Without functioning vents, your roof will deteriorate quickly. You're more likely to experience mold and mildew issues, and snow can form heavy ice dams on your eaves. This makes it imperative that you keep your roof's vents clear of dust, cobwebs, leaves, and other debris that would restrict air circulation. You now know the 4 most common issues homeowners experience with their roofs, how to prevent them, and what to do if things go wrong despite your best efforts. Your next step is to schedule a roof inspection so you'll know exactly what state your roof is in right now. You can do that by clicking the pinned comment below, and if you like this video, like and subscribe to see more of our home maintenance and improvement content. Thanks for watching.